Are you struggling to install your React Native app on your Android device? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue. Today, we will walk through the steps to troubleshoot this problem together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you think everything is set up correctly, but your app just won't install. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you're eager to see your work in action. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user mentioned that they are trying to run their React Native application on a Huawei Y2 device with Android version 5.1. They confirmed that the device is connected and even checked with the command adb devices. However, when they run React Native Run Android, they encounter an error stating that the app could not be installed. So, what could be causing this installation failure? It could be due to several reasons, such as an outdated Android version, issues with the development environment setup, or even problems with the app itself. Let's break it down step by step. Stay with me. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid these installation issues in the future. To begin resolving the issue, the user should ensure that the Android SDK is properly installed and configured. This includes checking the Android SDK path in the environment variables. Next, the user should confirm that the Android device is set up for development. This means enabling USB debugging in the device settings. After that, the user should check if the device is recognized by the Android debug bridge. They can do this by running the command adb devices in the terminal. If the device is recognized, the user should try cleaning the project and rebuilding it. This can be done by running the command React Native clean, followed by React Native Run Android. Finally, if the problem persists, the user should check the logs for any specific error messages. They can do this by running adb logcat to view the device logs. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android device was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but installation issues can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to run the command npx at react-native-community/keelydoctor. This command checks your environment and gives you a report on the status of your React Native installation. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution comes from a user who faced similar issues on Windows 10. They found that installing the Java JRE and JDK resolved their problem, even though they already had Android Studio set up. They also suggest opening the Android folder of your React Native project in Android Studio to see if it compiles correctly. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution suggests first checking connected devices using the command adb devices. If your device appears, verify the local.properties file in the Android folder to ensure the SDK path is correct. If the file is missing, create a new one with the appropriate SDK path. Additionally, running the command adb reverse TCP881 can help with connection issues. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly update your development tools and keep your device's software up to date. This simple habit can save you from many headaches in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to install your React Native app successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep your development environment updated.